How to create multiple product pages on Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now this is going to be very powerful because this is going to allow you to create separate product pages for each individual product. Because by default, if you edit the default product page, it's going to be applied to all of them at once. So in order to do so, first just go to the editor. So click on Edit Theme. And we are just going to be using templates. This is going to be basically how it works. So if we click here on the top on the home page button, we are just going to click on products and we're going to find the default product page. And again, if you edit anything in this page, it's just going to be applied to all products. So what we want to do is again, just click on here on the top, click on products, and we are going to find the option to create a template. This is what we want to do. So as we can see here, we have the golden bracelet product. So I'm just going to say I want to create a customized product page for it, a separate one. So I'm just going to click on create template, and I'm just going to give it the name golden bracelet as well. And it should be based on the default product page. It shouldn't be based on anything else for the time being. And click on create template. Once you do that, you should be able to see here on the top, we have golden bracelet now. This is going to be us editing only this specific template. This is no longer the default product page. So now we can just feel free to edit anything that we like in this page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a section, and I'm just going to go ahead and add just a banner. I'm not really going to be doing a proper product page video now. I'm just going to add some random stuff just for us to see. And in this banner, I'm just going to change the image of it and make it a specific color. Let's say red, and click on done. So why I did this, just so we can remember that the golden bracelet product page now has the color red in it. But obviously you can just feel free to go crazy with the product page, customize it, add descriptions about the specific product, and it's going to be completely unique. So it's fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on save now. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a different template. So I'm just going to again click on the top, products, click on create template. And I have another product which is silver. So I'm just going to name this one silver. And again, based on the default product page. If you want to copy the other one, sure, it doesn't really make a difference, but I'm just going to do this one. And again, now you're just going to be able to create whatever you want in this page. Even if you want to add specific text, you're going to be able to, and it's just going to remain the same. So let's just say, so I added the section image with text, and what I'm going to do is just change the image first of all. I'm just going to pick this silver thingy, and what we can also do is change the text right next to it. So the heading, I'm just going to say, and that should be good to go for the time being. What I'm going to do is just move it up like that. Okay, so now for the silver template, we have this image with text, and for the golden bracelet template, it has the red image. So now the last step is going to be us applying these templates to the specific products. So we just want to exit out of the editor, click on products, and we're just going to go ahead and click on golden bracelet. In my case, you just want to pick the products that you created templates for. Scroll down until you find theme template, and obviously now you just want to align the two. So golden bracelet with golden bracelet, click on save, and just go back and do the same thing for the rest of the products. So I'm just going to go back, click on silver, and do the same thing here for the theme template, select silver. And we are pretty much good to go. So now we can actually go ahead and view our site, give it a few minutes so it loads up, and then just view our site and show you the difference between the two. So let's just go and see. If I click on silver here and scroll down, I should be able to find the image with text, and it says silver. And if I click on the other option, which is the golden bracelet, it's going to have the red image, as you can see. So yeah, this is pretty much how to create different product pages for your Shopify store. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.